time for do-it-yourself Valentine's Day crafts. If you have kids or grandkids, make this fun, easy Valentine's Day Heartmobile as a decoration. This Heartmobile is super simple, and the kids will love seeing it hanging in their home. For this project, you are going to need an 8-inch wooden embroidery hoop, Valentine's Day hearts. These were purchased at Michael's. Some hemp cord, eye pins, craft glue, ribbon, ruler, scissor, and hot glue. If you are interested in purchasing supplies for this project, we have affiliate links on our website. Just click the Shop Supplies iCard or the link in the description section. For this tutorial, I am going to use 6 hearts. However, you can use as many or as few as you would like. Now, you're going to be using something called an eye pin, and what it is, it has a little eye on the one end and it looks like a pin on the other. And this is usually, you can find this in the beading section of your craft store. We are going to dip the eye pin in some glue and then insert it in the top of the heart. And we're going to continue to do that for each of the hearts that you're going to use. Now I'm using the glue to make sure that it stays in there. To hang the hearts from the embroidery hoop, I am using hemp cording. However, you can use yarn, twine, or another type of string. Cut 3 pieces 12 inches long and 3 pieces 14 inches long. Take one end of the cord and insert it into the small eye on the eye hook. Tie it in a knot. Continue attaching strings to all the hearts. Discard the outer ring of the embroidery hoop, and this can be used for a different purpose, for another craft. Now begin tying on the hearts onto the ring with a knot. Now tie them on, alternating, one long one and then one short one. And after they're all tied on, you want to space them evenly around the ring. Okay, I have them all tied on, and to keep them secure, evenly spaced apart, and to make sure that the knot does not come undone, I recommend that you just hot glue it to the back so it holds it in place on each one. And then after you have them hot glued, you can also cut off the excess string. To make the hanger for the mobile, cut 2 pieces of cord 24 inches long and tie them to the hoop in quarters. So this is the first one, and I'm tying it, and then I'm going to tie it straight across to the other side right here. Okay, so then we're going to tie the next string, since this one is right here. Let me reposition it. we're going to tie the next one over here. And then straight across to the other side. After you have them on there, you're going to take them together and tie an overhand knot in the top. Like that. And that's where you're going to be able to hang it. Also, I did a little hot glue on the hanger strings, and I cut them a little shorter so that they would look nice when it hangs. Now the final thing that you can do it, leave it this way, but I think it would be nice to add some ribbon around it. So with a hot glue gun, I'm going to add some ribbon around the outside of the hoop, just like this. And I'm going to continue to do that, and then I will show you what it looks like when I'm finished. The Valentine's Day mobile is complete. It will look so festive hanging in your home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share with friends. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. To follow us, just click our website icon or the link in the description below. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for other Valentine's Day crafts.